Bastron Wireless Dual Mode Mechanical Keyboard. Two-connection method: wireless 2.4G or Bluetooth, fast and stable. Support to connect 3 devices at the same time. No need to disconnect current using device. Mouse together with keyboard to switch in 1 second. Wonderful experience, refuse waiting. Portable and useful. Easy to suit all kinds of environment. Office, home office, coffee room, classroom, suitable for all working and entertainment place. Give you much impossible. Compatible with several systems. All kinds of PC, notebook, tablet, smartphone, TV, connect any of them at the same time. With slot design, easy to place your iPad and smartphone. Mechanical blue switches, pleasing voice. Floated keycaps, wonderful typing experience. With backlight, easy using in dark environment. Mouse is also excellent, together with keyboard to switch in connected devices. Keyboard and mouse combo, wonderful and unique combination. Give you a high-quality working experience. Exquisite appearance, high-efficiency working and entertainment. Wonderful.